Hello, today we will guide you through how to log out a Vinted account. If you need to sign out of your Vinted profile, this process is quick and straightforward. Logging out can be useful if you are using a shared computer, switching between accounts, or simply want to keep your account secure when you are finished browsing. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the exact steps to sign out from the Vinted website. To begin, go to the Vinted website in your web browser. Once the page loads, make sure you are on the main Vinted homepage and that your account is already signed in. If the site takes a moment to load, just wait until the top navigation area is fully visible, since that is where you'll find the account controls you need for this process. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account icon. This is the menu that gives you access to your account options. When you click it, a drop-down menu should appear. If you do not see the menu right away, click once more carefully and give it a second to open. On some screens, the icon may appear small, so it helps to move your cursor slowly to the upper right area until you locate it. After the account menu opens, look through the available options and click on Logout. As soon as you select it, Vinted will sign you out of your account. You may be redirected to the home page or shown the site in a logged out state, depending on how the page responds in your browser. Once you have logged out, it is a good idea to confirm that the sign out was successful. You can usually do this by checking the top right corner again. If you no longer see your account menu and instead see options to sign in, that means the logout worked properly. That's all there is to it. As a helpful tip, if you are on a public or shared device, logging out is an important final step to protect your account information and activity. It can also help avoid accidental purchases, messages, or account changes by someone else using the same device. Thank you for following along. You have now successfully logged out of your Vinted account.